Okay, very briefly, it's too cold for the camera, but we got a little scrap load going here. Motors, compressor, brass, extrusion, number 2 copper, number 1 copper, aluminum wire, ICW, and then aluminum copper rad. So hopefully I can record some of this on the other end for you here. Get a little bit of action. Okay. Ooh, there's some juicy looking paints here. Ooh, yeah. Paint, bruh. Paint. Juicy paints. That. Ooh, that's good quality wool. Right there. Oh. Decent. Decent, bruh. Top her up. Top and go. Oh, look at this. One more paint. Give me that. I need paints.
Calgon, take me away.
Take me away, says the Calgon. Goes there.
On the way here, I didn't realize I ran out of water booth.
Bruh, just use some Windex, bruh. Windex, bruh. That's what you gotta use, bruh. That's the good stuff. Use the borax on your window. Clean it right up. Oh. Yeah. Look at this, bruh. Bet you there's an apple too in here, bruh.
There's some good
I
cord.
know, you might need some of those. You might need some. Oh, that thing. Oh, I was waiting for that to come out. Yeah. Actually, just put it right on my dash. Just put her on the dash, bro. Right where I don't want it. No, put it on the dash. Put it in the back seat. Bro, I'm just messing with you, bro. Bro, I know, but don't have room, bro.
It's a dash plant.
Oh, I know. I just don't have room. I need a bigger cat litter.
I do. Is that
Bruh.
cat litter?
That's the scent and stuff, bro.
Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah. Let's bring her to the truck.
Bro,
Put her in the back seat of the truck, bro.
bro, that's your job, bro. That's your job. But I'll do it because I love you. Bruh, I'm going to put her in the back seat here, bruh. Oh. Bro, look at this box here. That's a good box. It's a good box of storing. You think? Yeah, I guess so, eh? What's left? All that? No, that stays. What about that over there?
Just these boxes and stuff here.
Okay, well let's throw those in the trailer. Let's start filling out the trailer. I don't know why this one's still open. I'm gonna pack these here, bruh. Oh, Dominoes. Heavy. I can go in there. All in one gym. Fits in a tote. Oh, some more gym stuff. Ooh, ah. Did you get that cactus thing by the front door?
That's right there.
Bruh, did you put it here?
I think she did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, look at these hockey pucks. What are they for?
What do they say?
They say lightweight. Rather magic pucks, bruh.
Oh, these are the lightweight ones.
Yeah, they're the light
The
ones.
orange ones are the heavy, heavy
Oh,
ones.
yeah. Oh, there's a nice box right there. Oh. Okay, so I didn't follow up on that scrap load the other day, but believe it or not, that was a good haul. That was about $470, and then he missed one thing, so about $485 on that trailer load. And look what just showed up here. A YouTube Scrappers charity calendar. So I guess it's January. At least I can open January. I don't want to ruin it here, but there's Thub shredding it up. Oh, very cool, very cool. And Raphael. All right. Well, anyway, if I was a YouTube scrapper, I'd definitely recommend buying one of these, but I'm not. But I recommend buying one anyways. And yeah, it's a very good cause. So yeah, there you go. Fellow scrap hawks, we're pulling in here on a weekend to dump some shred. I just picked this up off the pavement here. It's a Smith & Wesson HRT. It definitely belonged to some devious backstabbing, you know, anyway. So I'm going to keep it now, so I can be the devious backstabber with it. So I'm going to keep that, unless someone knows who it belongs to. Yeah, so shred is down to a low $30 a ton right now, which means that even a cheap and miserable sucker like me is better off dumping. I mean, you know, you think maybe I got half a ton in here. All I'd have to do is pick up one AC compressor or, you know, whatever. Not too much to make it, yeah, anyway, I do love scrapping and shred. I love going in and weighing in and everything. I love everything about scrap and shred steel, but yeah, anyway, I got to, it barely covers the cost of the tire repairs that I just had another 2 flats in the past couple weeks. I didn't really film much of them. I'm going to be doing some repairs on those, a couple plugs and whatever. So, so who do we got here today? We got Greg, it looks like. This is his rig here. Oh no, I guess that's, well, we rather affectionately refer to him as the Mongolian. I think he is actually Mongolian. He's a very nice guy, but he collects, he goes a little crazy on the stacking of garbage. He should behave himself a little better. I can't believe CVSE lets him go on that, but anyway. Now he's got it under control, I guess. So, yeah, all right, so we're going to pull up here. Ooh. Well, not much here today. Big engine block. Let's look around first. Yeah. Some big cabinets here. Some big old... little transformer and the fan there. Ooh, Scrap Bongo, check these out. Some real nice. Ooh, boy, those are tempting. Ooh, I might grab a couple of those. That's some nice steel. Ooh, I don't want to hoard it, but that's some good stuff there. And it looks like Marco's hard at work over there. How you doing? I'm just talking to myself here. I do a little bit of scrapping. You got anything good here today? No, a bunch of junk. Bunch of junk, eh? Oh, these are brand new.
Must be junk.
What are these? These are shutters, aren't they?
Yeah.
Another.
Window shutters.
Yeah.
They
Okay.
were on our house, and then we changed the windows,
Okay.
and I got them powder coated,
Well, you put a lot of money into them then.
and then they didn't match anymore.
Ah.
The other windows were bigger, and then they looked stupid. So, we've been in the basement for 20 years.
Well, they're in great shape, and they are aluminum. So I'll tell the boys, maybe they'll bring it in, or maybe I'll bring it in. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right. I don't really want to bring these home, but that's some useful steel right there. There comes Willie. Marco, how you doing? Pretty good, pretty good.
How's your holidays? Good?
Very good. I drank enough eggnog to get me through another year. And I got a whole lot of nothing. That guy's got, there's more aluminum down there. He just brought out some aluminum shutters and stuff. I don't know, there's not much there, but you know how it is. Willie, you're not going to find anything in here that's going to interest you, but you can look all you want. Nothing, buddy. Look at this junk. Look at this. Look at this crap. Crap. Yes. Stripped out microwave. Crap. Well, it's just a bunch of crap. That's all it is. Alright. Got some treasures then?
Yeah.
Good, good. Good to see. There you go. You got your 20 bucks an hour?
If that.
I know, $3 an hour.
Nothing else to do.
Exactly. I know. As one of my friends says, what else would you be doing?
Exactly.
You have a great day, Marco. See you soon. Gotta come apart. That's all there is to it. Okay, start wiggling it. Let's see what I can see here. Yeah. Okay, a little more. All right, right there. And let me pull it. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
Get it down on the flat.
Yeah, that's okay. I wasn't sure how much room we were gonna have.
Make it easier.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if taking the doors off is gonna make it.
Well, we got to take the doors off anyways.
Because
We have to.
this is thinner
They
than
have to
this.
come off. That's all there is to it. They have to come off. We might end up carrying it over the side of the stairway. Like we don't know how this thing's coming out.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you right now, it's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy.
Yeah, because it's thinner this way
Yeah.
than it is this way.
Yeah, I know.
Even with the doors
I know, but then the door anyway. It's gonna be a hassle.
Okay, yeah, I did the measurements and actually the depth, when if we take the doors off, that is this.
Thinner than this?
Yeah, I've got my, my.
It is a little shorter that. Well, we'll see. I mean, it's fine. But
there.
with the doors off.
That was mine anyway by a little bit. Get the doors
Just the bottom here. So we're 20 3/4. Yeah, I guess so.
Okay. Well, anyway, that's good.
I wonder if it doesn't go, if, it might be, better if I just, do, yeah, because I am not attached to this post, so we could take that post.
Oh, that'd be a whole. Yeah.
I think it's hollow inside.
No, I know, but the way it's gonna be attached to the wall and everything. Here,
Oh yeah, it's.
you have to take all this screw off.
Yeah, just a couple at a time.
Crazy. Take that thing off.
I'm taking everything off. It is all coming off. Okay, so this piece should go towards the stair or to the wall?
To the stair.
To the stair? Okay. Brad, if you stand there, you can end up carrying it up, Brad. Don't want that to happen. Yeah, it's pretty light. Let me, no, I'll sweep it off later. Yeah, the only thing is if we can get it in here. Yeah. No, there it is, right there, right there. Right there.
No.
What do you mean? Brad. Okay, Craig, you guys give the dolly just a little kick on the ground, just about like an inch. Just the dolly. Push it towards the wall about an inch. You might have to get on your ass. Okay. Yeah, a little more. A little more. A little more. Okay, are we going to clear now?
No.
Okay, kick it a couple, no, another half inch. Right there. That's it. It's touching the wall now. Okay. Slide it away from the wall just a bit. Okay. Okay, let's just go slow here. Okay. Just watch all our angles here. Should get some more room here in a second.
One more and then we'll have
We'll be out. Oh, all right. One more. Hold on. Wait till I pull, because it's just you're gonna throw it on me.
guiding.
Yeah. Okay.
Guiding and pushing.
Yeah. Don't. But see. Let me. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna stand up now. It's gotta come to you. More. It's gotta go more.
Well, why?
Because I can't stand up, okay? Yeah, there we go, okay. Good, okay, there we go. Okay. All right. Okay, I come this way. Let me just get my hand on here.
We're gonna hit the wall. Let's just go down.
Yeah.
Here, I'll put my foot
Oh, I see. You want to go out?
here. I'm gonna push this way.
Yeah, we're hitting the door handle now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just keeping us off the door.
Okay.
Okay, we gotta get straight. Put it
Okay. Okay. Okay.
down.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'll put the broken wood at the bottom, and then we will go from there.
Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is, if you're okay, I'll just leave you here.
Oh yeah, I can get out.
I'm gonna go to the office and just drop off the key.
Perfect. There's nothing to it, is there? You don't have to lock it. Yeah, just close it up.
Yeah, just close it. It won't have a lock
Yeah,
on it.
okay, perfect.
And then I think I'll text you.
And the lights just shut off by themselves too.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
fine.
then on the way out, you just go straight and follow.
Okay.
And enter the code.
Same code.
And start to leave.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay, get out of here. You got some kids all hopped up on candy.
Bowling.
Oh, that sounds fun.
So, how much do you think for it?
Nothing too crazy, but I should be able to donate quite a bit of it. Let's say most of that stuff. That thing might be a problem. I might have to take it outside first.
Okay.
Yeah, why don't we...
I think it disassembled.
Oh, yeah, it probably does disassemble, doesn't it?
Yeah,
It clicks together?
It should
Let's see.
just pop.
Oh, yeah, I see. Okay, yeah, it's got the pull tabs on it. Okay, so that's no problem then. Okay, well, good. Let's just say 160 then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because that thing was kind of freaking me out.
Yeah.
But
Here.
that's actually going to be a piece of cake then. Okay,
160.
no problem. Yeah, this will be easy because pretty much everything here is donatable. So
Amazing.
okay, good, easy.
Yeah, and then
Yeah. Sounds good. No, I got it from here. I got it from here.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. No, this is all probably going straight to Valley Village or the next spot, and should all be pretty good here.
Like, I just sold a table. It's such a hassle meeting people.
It is. Well, it'd be.
Show up or,
I know, you just waste 2 hours and they're not even going to show up here for the thing, so.
do you need a broom?
I got a lot of brooms actually. Yeah, I'm on it. If you give it to me, I'll probably just throw it out.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, thanks so much.
Okay, thanks, Sarah. Okay, see ya. All right. Okay, well, it's embarrassing what I charged. Should have been $250, but whatever. Anyway, you can all see what a sucker I am, so I'm not going to try to hide that. Yeah, but anyways, some good stuff here. I should be able to pretty much donate most of it, and kind of works out. I need to go by tomorrow and empty the truck. I got a few things from a job the other day, so put those there. I think I got photos of everything here. Might swing by Valley Village and dump those off. And but yeah, it's kind of a piece of cake actually. It's all drive up, drive away. All right, this sucker here, oh, she's got some weight to it. There's a metal. Foosball table, nice little hammock there, collapsible stand. I just list these all for free tonight. If anything that doesn't go, we'll just toss it in the morning. I think I kind of manifested this when I wanted to get pizza tonight, but it was only 2:30 when I left, or when I went home, and my pizza place doesn't open till 3, so anyway, this kind of fit the gap here. Oh. All right, what do we got left? Just the hammock. Got a photo of it all put together. Should just like that. And we spin that out. All right, just like that, eh? Maybe I'll list this for a couple bucks. All right, so yeah, one of the secrets to selling or getting rid of stuff is you got to take photos of it while it's on site here. Okay, well, there was a fair bit of stuff, but whatever, I could have charged her more of it. Who cares? It's quick and easy. She's a regular client. I charge her normal rates for her, and she's got a lot of garbage, so that kind of thing there. Stay in there then. Oops. There's paint under there. Mess that up. All right, I better call my pizza place here. I don't want to have to wait.